Welcome, Danian Vreugd Cooking episode 8. So today we're making red cabbages.
Oh God, it's so good.
It's so good.
So what we need to make red cabbage is red cabbage, potatoes, and we need beef. So everything is super fast to make, so let's just get into it. First we're gonna peel all the potatoes. So now we fill this. Done. And then we put the potatoes in the pan. Don't miss the pan. Then clean it. And then put it on the stove to cook. So while that's cooking, we're gonna grab the red cabbage and put it in the pan and put it on the stove as well. That's super easy, no cutting needed, it's just in a pot and we can just put it in. So now almost everything is on the stove. We only miss the meat, so we are going to bake the meat right now, and then we just wait until everything is cooked. So while everything is cooking right now, I'm gonna set the table.
Side to side.